right, now we know what minerals are. Supposedly, we're still going to debate it. Now that we know what minerals are, let's talk about how minerals are classified. Okay? Minerals are classified based on their composition, primarily on the dominant anion or anion complex. And this means that you look at the negatively charged ion within its chemical formula, and that's how you classify it. So, for example, minerals with sulfur as an anion, the S2 minus, we call those sulfides. Minerals with SiO4 minus, we call those silicates, right? So we look at that negatively charged ion, and that's how we classify the atom or the minerals. Now, there are over 4,000 known minerals, which means we do have to classify them, right? There are far too many to think about individually. Silicates by far is the largest group, followed by sulfides, sulfur salts, phosphates, oxides and hydroxides, carbonates, and then native elements, right? But mostly silicates. Pretty much all of the, not all, the majority of the important minerals we're going to talk about are silicates. Now, luckily, we don't have to memorize over 4,000 minerals. I sure haven't, right? Because on Earth, there's only 85 common rock-forming minerals, right? So a lot of minerals, they exist, they're out there, they can actually be pretty and fun, but they don't really form rocks. They don't form resources that we really want or care about. They're not super common, so we're not going to study those. Okay? And of those 85 rock-forming minerals, they are really just made up of 29 elements. So this is limiting how much we have to remember. This is fantastic. So here's a chart of those 29 most common rock-forming elements, excluding hydrogen, and their ionic states, so you can know how they are likely to bond.